Are you dreaming of a home in a charming neighborhood on a quiet cul-de-sac with towering mature trees? Something with an updated kitchen, a sun-soaked living room, and a backyard that feels like its own retreat? Well, you can stop dreaming because I think I just found the home to make those dreams a reality. This home has some stunning features like this gas fireplace and the upgraded kitchen, but it also has some more functional upgrades as well, like the newer roof and the dual pane argon-filled windows, as well as stainless steel appliances. But before we talk about this home's interior, you just have to learn about how convenient and gorgeous this neighborhood is. Located in the mature and desirable area of Redwood, we're located just in between Henderson Park as well as West Mayor McGrath. That's home to Costco and all the big box stores to keep everything convenient. As well, in between, there's a ton of schools and parks, and you're even just a short drive from Evergreen Golf Center where you can golf year-round. Stepping through the front door, you're welcomed by this bright and open living room space thanks to these brand new windows that flood this area with natural light. The living room is cozy yet spacious, and check out this gas fireplace surrounded by this floor-to-ceiling brick that adds the right amount of character and coziness. This makes for the perfect spot to relax after a long day. Now let's talk about the flow of the space. Over here is the dining room area that keep things open, which is perfect for entertaining either family or guests. And just off of that are these patio doors leading out to your deck that seamlessly blend indoor living with outdoor entertaining. Now step inside the heart of the home, which is the kitchen. And this space has been completely updated with sleek two-tone cabinetry, as well as brand new tile backsplash, and even stainless steel appliances throughout, as well as a ton of counter space. So whether you love to cook, or you just like a stylish kitchen, this space doesn't get any better. Let's continue through to the bedrooms on this level, starting right here in the primary bedroom that features his and her closets, as well as its own two-piece ensuite, and even enough room for a king-size bed. Also on this level are two more bedrooms, as well as an updated four-piece bathroom, making this space both functional and comfortable for those younger families. Heading downstairs, this fully finished basement gives you a whole nother level of living space, including this living room area that's perfect for movie nights, and there's even room for another games area or even a home gym, making this entire space flexible and functional. This level also has a spacious bedroom, and connected to it is a three-piece bathroom, and just through that area is the laundry room and storage room to keep everything organized. Finding a home like this in this market and in this price point might sound like a dream. However, I can help you make it a reality. Just call, text, or email me, Kurtis Hawkins, with the Real Estate One team at Real Broker. And if you guys like this video and want to see more home tours, there's a whole playlist right here. Or if you never want to miss another one, just subscribe.